Explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states that the position and momentum of a particle cannot be simultaneously measured with arbitrarily high precision. Let us now understand the physical significance of this principle. From de Broglie's hypothesis, we know that a particle is associated with some wave, whose wavelength is given by, where h is the Planck's constant, p the momentum of the particle. Consider a particle. Let us assume two cases for this particle. In the first case, let's assume that the particle is associated with a single wave of wavelength lambda. And in the second case, let's assume that the particle is associated with multiple waves of different wavelengths. Now, using de Broglie's hypothesis, we notice that in case of single wave, there is a corresponding precise certain single-valued momentum, whereas in case of multiple waves, each wave has a corresponding momentum. So the overall momentum of the particle will be uncertain. Now, if we form an envelope in both the cases, we see that in first case, a single wave forms an envelope of infinite size, whereas in second case, all the waves superimpose. To form an envelope of finite length, we know that a particle with which the wave associates is located inside the wave envelope. So in first case, a particle can exist anywhere inside the envelope. Here, since the size of envelope is infinite, therefore there is high uncertainty in the position of the particle. Similarly, in second case, the particle can exist anywhere inside the envelope. But here, since the envelope is of finite length, therefore there is some certainty in the position of the particle. Thus, we can conclude that if a particle has a precise momentum, then there is high uncertainty in its position. Whereas, if the momentum of a particle is uncertain, then there is high certainty in its position. Mathematically, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is expressed as, where del x is the uncertainty in the position of the particle, del p the uncertainty in the momentum of the particle, and h bar is Planck's constant by 2 pi. Note that Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is valid only in quantum physics.
Related terms are